Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Square step by step clearly. To start saving with Square, first, open the Square app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard section from the main menu. Look for the savings option and click on it to explore available features. If you don't have a savings account set up, select Create Savings Account. Fill in the required details, such as the account name and initial deposit amount. Once your account is created, set up a regular deposit schedule. Decide how much money you want to save each week or month. Square allows you to automate contributions, so consider enabling this feature. Next, explore the Goals section to set specific savings targets for different purposes. Define your goals by entering the target amount and the deadline for reaching it. Make sure to periodically review your savings progress on your dashboard. Check for any available offers or promotions to help accelerate your savings. Consider using Square's financial tools to analyze your spending habits. This will help identify areas where you can reduce expenses. Once you find extra funds, redirect them into your savings account. Stay committed to your savings plan by tracking your achievements regularly. Regularly assess your financial goals and adjust your contributions if needed. Utilize Square's reminders to keep you motivated in your savings journey. By following these steps, you can effectively save with Square and reach your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.